Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Kingston Tech. Today we're going to unbox this external SSD by Kingston Technology. This is the XX1000 1TB and the read speed is up to 1050 Mbps, and then the read speed, and then the write speed is 1 gig per for writing. And then this is using the USB 3.2 Gen 2. Red Dot winner 2024. Actual size. Interesting. Nothing else here. These are all the back details. Supports Windows 10, 11 and 10. macOS version 10.15 and above. Linux, Chrome OS as well, but Chrome OS only supports, nothing about that. And then what's inside the box? You have the external hard SSD itself, USB-C to USB-A cable, and then USB-A to USB-C adapter. Interesting. Without further ado, let me open this. So open it up, and let's see what's inside here. So, and then you have this adapter, USB-C to USB-A. Interesting. Pretty solid black plastic. Should support 3.2. And this is the wire itself, USB type A, USB type C cable. Interesting. Yeah, it is a cable, one adapter. Feels good. Wire is pretty thick, but it is short. I think it's only 15 cm. And moving on, we have this external SSD itself. I feel like part of it is, I think it's mostly plastic, but this part is aluminum. I could be wrong. There's the Kingston logo on it, and then here's the USB type C. I think this is some LED indicator, and this is 1TB version. This is pretty small. I think it's using the M.2 shortest card inside, maybe. I'm not going to open it, so I wouldn't know. And so this is how you connect it. So to USB-A, and then if your laptop only has USB-C, then you can use this adapter and plug it into your PC. So yeah, that's about it. This thing is paper, and I think it's paper plastic combination, I think. So I think there's some sort of sustainability awareness here for this product. But yeah, without further, let me see if there's anything else. No, nothing else. So yeah, pretty cool, and I must say it is very, very small. Gotta be careful when carrying it, but it's easy, very portable to carry around. I mean, if you compare it to external HDD portable ones from a few years ago, so, and it's really light. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you found it useful, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.